Now, tell me for the video, who are you swinging?
Rainbow Kate.
Rainbow Kate. All right, let's take a look at Rainbow Kate. Oop.
Grandpa.
I'm making sure we get a good look at Rainbow Kate. And it's your swinging action. You having fun swinging your baby?
Yeah. She's not a baby.
Well, she's your baby, ain't she?
No.
I thought she was.
She's my kid.
Okay. That's still your baby.
No, it's not.
What's the difference between your kid and your baby?
Older and younger.
Okay. And where are you at?
Look where Grandma found you.
Cool, Grandma. It's a car.
Yes, it is. Do you know what park you're at?
What? A car park?
No. You don't know what park this is?
No.
Okay, repeat after me. Stephen?
Stephen S. Austin Park.
State Park.
State Park.
That's right. That's where you're at.
Grandpa, help me get a map.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Today is Monday, February the 17th, 2025, about 20 minutes till 2 in the afternoon. We're in Stephen F. Austin Park, and I want to make a nice video of this little trail here. It's a short one. Got my granddaughter, my wife with me. Pileated Trail. You can see it's for hiking and for biking. It goes that way across the road. Campground's right over there, and we are camping over there. This is the trail. Just show you what some of this looks like. It's very small trail, and this park mostly has small trails. This one's 7/10 of a mile if you did the whole thing. But you see the bridge here, and see there's no water over on that side. There's no water on that side, just all brush. We've got little ferns here, and you can see other ferns right there. And here's just another wooden bridge. So two of them back to back. And again, look, it's just overgrown. No water down there at all on either way. So, and right up here is the people with me. I got ferns right there. Okay, Grandma's doing something to cause a ruckus.
I didn't expect that. That was crazy.
There was enough drink.
It
up
got
there.
shook. I got shook up and right up in the air.
Yeah.
And you saw all that?
Yeah, and none got on me.
Wow, did you laugh?
I thought there was water in there.
And there's no water?
No, there's her other drink that I gave her.
Oh, man.
I got to change it back out for later.
All right, well, let's continue the video and go with the third bridge right here. So, they like the bridges on this Pileated Trail. So you can see it. And see it too is dry. No water at all. And then it just goes on down here. So as I run into other things, I'll show those to you. But there's the people with me. And let's keep going. Whole bed of ferns here. You can see palmettos all over the place. Over on this side of the trail, got a bunch more.
They're like fans.
Yes, they are. So they grow a lot all through here. Look at this. Look at that wiggly tree right there. Look straight ahead. You see that wiggly tree?
Yeah.
All right, so let's watch this little gal here walk across the bridge. Ooh, and we got water. And there she's almost off of it. There she goes. And look what she just walked past. More palmettos right there. And you see walking down the trail just what it looks like. Okay, now we're crossing another bridge, and you see there's a little bridge over there, and we got water running right around there. So you see, and probably can't pick it up, but way down there, before that last curve, there's a cardinal down there in the water, drinking. What's her name?
Her name's Marshmallow. Marshmallow.
Marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see you swing her. Does she like swinging?
Grandpa, yes, she does.
She looks like she does.
Marshmallow likes swinging.
She enjoys the swinging, doesn't she?
Yes, I know.
Is she about to knock you down?
No, I can do this at the wet time.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't kick at it, okay? I'm not going to hit you.
Grandpa.
I promise you, I'm not going to hit you.
Grandpa, what are you doing?
I'm not going to hit you. That's what I'm doing. I'm just getting some little bit here. Grandma needs to swing you some more.
Ow! Ow! Don't look here. What are you doing? Well, Grandpa! What are you doing? I got my knee. Remember, the swing can go fast.